Easy Kids Learning. In this video, we learn about birds and insects. So let's start with birds. Peacock.
Peacock.
Crow.
Crow.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Crane.
Crane.
Swan.
Swan.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Cock.
Cock.
Duck.
Duck.
Owl.
Owl.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Few question and answers. Which is our national bird? Peacock. The peacock is our national bird. Which is a night bird? Owl. The owl is a night bird. Which is the largest bird? Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird. Which bird swim in water? Swans, ducks and penguins swim in water. Which bird is called the singing bird? Cuckoo. The cuckoo is called the singing bird. Now let us learn about insects. Housefly.
Housefly.
Cockroach.
Cockroach.
Spider.
Spider.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Mosquito.
Mosquito.
Ant.
Ant.
Honey bee.
Honeybee.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Few question and answers. How many legs do insects have? Insects have 6 legs. Which insects spread diseases? Houseflies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Which insect has beautiful wings? Butterfly. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Which insect is known as a worker? Ant. The ant is known as a worker. Which insect gives us honey? Honeybee. A honeybee gives us honey. Which insects makes webs on wall and ceilings? Spider. A spider makes webs on walls and ceilings. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.